Till a few months ago, Shiri Mohmand, a housewife in Lahore, enjoyed taking her 6-year-old daughter Shazmeena to school. Now it has become a nightmare.
I know that, sending her to school is dangerous now. It's not that safe anymore, which I couldn't even ever think of.
In response to the Pakistan Army's offensive along the Afghan border to wipe out the Taliban, militants are setting off suicide bomb blasts all over the country, killing hundreds. Now they are starting to encroach on schools. First, the Islamic University was targeted. Then, Mohmand watched as Lahore came under attack.
I saw breaking news, and that was FIA building and the police academy in Bedia in trouble, attacked by these terrorists, and there were hostages there. I was really alarmed, I was really shocked, and I was in tears. I ran to school to pick my daughter up, and there was panic situation in every school, everywhere in Lahore.
Schools shut down for weeks in Lahore and other cities. For Mohmand, explaining this situation to her daughter is hard.
She keeps on asking me that, "Mommy, why are these people blowing up schools?"
Girls' schools and co-ed institutes are particular targets for threatening letters and phone calls. Schools are fighting back. They're putting stronger security measures in place. Sara Hayat is in charge of security at a children's school in Lahore. She implemented a number of systems to keep children safe.
The situation has been really worse, especially after the holidays. We had to close down for at least 15 days. We've never done this before. Now we have taken proper security measures. We've got armed guards in school. We've raised our walls.
The city government of Lahore now mandates 8 feet high walls and walk-through gates at all schools.
We close our gates at all times. Nobody can come in without showing their ID cards. The parents have to carry their children's ID card too. And the most important thing is that no visitors are allowed. I've got 4 CCTV cameras in school, and I monitor the screens all the time myself.
Political analyst Hassan Askari says after the attack on the Islamic University, the government was compelled to shut down schools and enhance security measures.
पाकिस्तान में ये पहली दफ़ा हुआ है कि जो दहशतगर्द अनासर हैं उन्होंने पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ़ शहरों में इस शिद्दत से हमले किए या बॉम्ब को उन्होंने प्लांट किया जाके, और ख़ुसूसन जो इस्लामाबाद में इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर वाक़या हुआ उसके बाद हुकूमत ने तालीमी अदारों को बंद किया.
But despite these efforts, some students believe they will have to do their bit to fight off terrorists.
हमें दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ हम जिस तरह मर्जी कहें, हम जंग लड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं और दहशतगर्दी का मुकाबला करने के लिए तैयार हैं. हम अपनी जान देने के लिए तैयार हैं और हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं पाकिस्तान को बचाने के लिए.
As for Mohmand, she's thinking about taking Shazmeena out of school until it becomes safe again.
A couple of days ago, she was watching TV with me, and all of a sudden, there was breaking news that in Islamabad, their school has been blown up. And she kept on asking me that, what have these children done? And I have no answer. I just don't know what to say.